Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture video, actually, I will describe what is the difference between the business analysis and business analytics. Many of the students actually always ask, what is the difference between the analysis and analytics, right? So, in this video, I'll try to cover this confusion or overcome this confusion. What is the difference between the analysis and analytics? Okay. So the difference between the business analysis and business analytics primarily depends on their focus and their method, right? Once again, their focus and their method. What does it mean? It means, for example, for business analysis, the audience focus is identifying business problem. For example, please see here, um, identifying the business problem or opportunities, understanding business processes, and defining requirement for solution. It means we are doing something or we are investigating something which is already uh, in the existing data set, right? Okay, so we are searching some solution based on some problems like this. So what would be the method actually? So involve gathering and analyzing, I mean collecting and analyzing business requirement, evaluation the solution, improve the process, and ensuring that the implemented solution align with the business goals. It means maybe you have a business solution problem, like please see here, to solve a business problem, maybe you have a business problem. So based on your problem, you will collect some data, you will clean the data, you will analyze the data, I mean the existing data, right? And you will take some decision based on that information. So if we think again, from creating to business problem, or identifying the business problem and to give a solution of a business problem, right? Using in a systematic way, in a scientific way, we can say it is a business analysis. Okay. For example, here, please see here, a company is facing issue with its customer service process. Okay. Leading to long waiting time. Okay. A business analyst might conduct interview, or he or she can conduct a survey, right? Okay, with the stakeholder. Who are the stakeholder? Maybe we are thinking about a bank's customer service process, where the customers actually waiting for a long time. So the account holder here is a stakeholder, right? Map the existing process. It means you need to identify what are the existing gap. Hmm? Why uh, it will take long time to serve a customer. So map the existing process, identify the bottlenecks, and recommend new workflow or software tools to improve the efficiency. So once again, you have a business problem. Based on your business problem, you will design a research or a process where you will collect the data. From where you will collect the data? From the stakeholders, right? So who are the stakeholders? Your customer is your stakeholder. So you will collect the data using some data, I mean using their response, you will solve the problem. This is business analysis is all about, right? So on the other hand, what is business analysis? So think about their focus: analyzing data to uncover trend, patterns, and insight to inform decision making. Once again, identify the trend, identify the pattern, and insight to inform decision making, right? So what would be the method? So you need to use some statistical analytical method, right? Statistical analysis, which could be a data mining process, predictive modeling process, right? And other tools to drive insight from the data, right? You can use some optimization tools or any others, right? So what is the objective? To leverage data to improve business decision. Once again, to leverage data to improve business decision. forecast the outcome, and identify growth and opportunities. It means we are thinking about future. But in business analysis, we didn't think about future. We thought about uh, what are the problem, how we can solve the problem, right? But in business analytics, we are thinking about future, right? Okay. What is the example? A retail business want to forecast sales for the next quarter. Excellent. A business analyst using business analytics might analyze historical data, customer demographics information, and market trend using statistical tools or machine learning or deep learning model to predict future sales. Once again, here, please keep in mind, here we will predict something. So business analytics, it means based on the historical data. Data could be in different form. Historical data, it could be a continuous data, it could be a categorical data, it could be others data, right? Okay, so based on the historical data, you will predict something using some advanced statistical tools. It could be a machine learning, deep learning, hybrid learning, ensemble learning, right? So when you will predict the future, then it's called the business analytics. But the business analysis, we solve the problem, existing problem. Okay, so to sum up, summary of the difference. What is the difference between the business analysis and business analytics? Business analysis is about understanding what needs to be done to solve a business problem. For example, improving the process, defining the new system, etc., etc., right? On the other hand, business analytics is about using data and analysis to understand trend and make prediction that support business decision. For example, using data to forecast sale or customer behavior. It means we will predict, or we would like to predict the future trend, future, and we will take the future decision, right? So this is the basic difference between the business analysis and business analytics. I hope you understand this one. So business analysis, it means we will solve a problem. We have a problem and we will solve a problem, right? But business analytics, it means we have data, right? Based on the historical data, based on some others data, we'll predict the future. So this is the difference between the business analysis and business analytics. Hopefully you understand this one. Okay, so after the next video, okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.